Hey guys, welcome back to Messing Wrenches Garage. Today we have another 52 8N Ford tractor here that we've rescued off the side of a mountain. It's been forgotten. The motor's stuck, parts are robbed off of it. It's in not very good shape, but it's in pretty good shape at the same time. So we're going to do the right thing, see if we can get her going again. Now, I still am the one legged bandit coming to you out of East Tennessee, so Papa's going to more or less be the star of the show. Uh, it's it's getting better. I'm walking around without my cane now, so a couple more weeks hopefully. But anyways, until I'm off of this stupid thing, he's gonna be the star of the show. I swear, can't even be the star of my own damn show. But let's get you a little walk around over here and let you take it in. All right, now in the short I made of it, I told you it's got brand new tires all the way around it. These have the bigger tires. These are the 12.4 28s. Our other one has the 11.2 28s. It's got the 4 inchers on the front, like they're supposed to have. When we got the other one, it had 6 inch wheels on the front of it. Now you can see that old motor's all wet. We poured diesel fuel, transmission fluid, and acetone in it. It's got a bunch of parts robbed off of it. Well, he's been out here messing with it a little bit. It didn't have that solenoid. I don't know which one he took it off of, but he's got some wiring going on it over there. It's already been converted to 12 volt. You can't see it on camera, but he's blasted diesel fuel and everything all over the side of my truck, so that's fine. As you can see, it's had a starter at some point in its life. Those things are a pain, so thankfully that's good and on there. Like I said, got some little janky wiring coming off of it. Just good enough to get her to run. Looks like he's had a little snack attack come on while he was out here. It's got original Ford scripted fenders on it. If they don't say Ford on them, then they're not original. They're some kind of aftermarket. So it's good to see those held up over the years. But there's just a quick little walk around of it. As soon as he gets down here, we'll get to cranking on it again. All right, guys. All that solution we poured down in it did its magic. We got it broke free, but we had to take the head off of it because we wasn't getting any compression out of cylinder 3, was it? 3 and 4. And I cleaned around the valves and stuff and got them working again. And he thinks it'll get some compression now, but here, hold the phone and we'll show him how it works without the head on it. There's the old hand cranking thing he found in the back of my truck up there.
They're wanting working good now?
Yeah, they're working good. Alright guys, so this video has been a little bit all over the place with me having to go to my therapy appointments, but I'm walking again, so stuff's gonna start picking back up now that all that's over. But let's show you some more progress on the tractor here. Alright, so we've scrounged some of our salvage parts off of that parts tractor we got up there. Well, I guess it runs. Good and quiet. 40 pounds of oil pressure. The cruise meter work? Well, another one saved. Alright, as y'all can see, it busted right off. Our scrap carburetor, well not scrap, but our carburetor off the parts tractor is pouring fuel out of it. She is smoking. That's because the radiator ain't got no coolant in it. The alternator was charging. We have rigged a wiring harness. We're going to get a brand new wiring harness and put on it though. But it sounded pretty smooth. We don't know how long this one sat, so we can't give you an estimate on that. Yeah, probably was saying the float might have a hole in it, but yeah, we're gonna get it up here at the garage and start tearing it down and paint her up. All right, guys. Unfortunately, we're gonna have to close it on this video for right now. It's not as long as I would have liked it to have been, but I really couldn't film because I had to go through my therapy appointments and all that stuff. Papa doesn't know how to use the recording equipment, so video wasn't to our normal standards, which is all right. We'll get better videos of it as the next few weeks come. And also, that thing was just too easy to get running. The little tractors, they don't want to die for some reason. It's because it's a Ford. But we appreciate you for watching. Go ahead and hit subscribe if you ain't. There is a new button on the bottom of the videos. It's a hot button. If y'all want to, go down there and click on that, like it, and leave us a comment. We ain't been on YouTube in a while. Is where I went to tech school and all that stuff, and then, you know, broke my leg, but looky here. No more boot. We're good. But, all right, guys. Again, we appreciate you for watching. Tune in next time and see what else we get into. I don't know yet. We got a bunch of crap up there to work on.